Hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm the host. Today's video is for those of you who are broke and heartbroken, or maybe you just broken in one area or the other. If you broke and you looking to get your finances right, and you wondering, how do I do that? Do I have to wait until I'm out of this toxic relationship? Or if you're in a relationship that's fallen apart because of money issues, I want to tell you there is hope, because I got good news for you today. Watch this video to the end, because I am gonna show you how to go from broke and heartbroken to rich in love in 10 simple steps. So let's get started. Now, money affects relationship in ways many couples don't realize. When financial stress hits, it doesn't just impact your bank account. It changes how you communicate, how you make decisions, and how you feel about each other. When you feel desperate, you're more likely to beg, steal, lie and cheat to get money, because money is a source of security. So when you don't have it, you feel very unsafe. It changes how you relate to your partner. So you may start judging your partner. You may start questioning your partner. You may start criticizing your partner because you are unhappy with the state of your finances. The truth is that money represents different things to different people. For some, it means security and safety. For others, it represents freedom and choices. When partners have different money values, conflicts arise naturally. Now, understanding these differences is the first step toward rebuilding both your financial life and your relationship. Financial problems often reveal deeper issues in relationships. Maybe one partner feels unheard when making financial decisions. Perhaps the other feels judged for their spending habits. These feelings can create walls between couples, making them feel like roommates rather than romantic partners. But when couples learn to work